again. Here is question 44. We have this distribution table, and we've got a random variable y. Find an expression for the expected value of y. Well, that's a reasonably straightforward thing. The expected value of y is equal to, well, you just multiply y's times the probability all the way along and add them up. So we get 0 times a, which is 0, 2 times b, plus 4 times 0.1, well, that'll be 0.4, 5 times 0.2, that'll be 1, 6 times 0.1, that'll be 0.6. Making that look a bit simpler, that's 2b plus that's 1, 2, 2b plus 2. Okay. The second part, we'll have a bit more going on. This is worth 4 marks. That first bit was pretty straightforward. Find the variance. Oh, we've got the variance. Determine a and b. Okay. Well, you do know that a and b plus these other 3 bits all adds up to 1, because all the probabilities must add up to 1 if it's a probability distribution. But let's find the variance. The variance is the expected value of y squared minus the expected value of y all squared. So we need to find what the expected value of y squared is. Okay, you square the y terms and then multiply them by the next one, so we get 0 squared times a, so that's still 0 for the first one. 2 squared is 4 times b. 4 squared is 16 times 0.1 is 1.6. 5 squared is 25 times 0.2 will be 5. And 6 squared is 36 times 0.1, that'll be 3.6. And making that look a bit simpler, that comes to 4b, well, there should be a plus in there, plus 1.6 and 3.6, 5.2, 10.2. And then we need to write down what the variance of y is. So that is the 4b plus 10.2 minus the expected value, that's that lot, 2b plus 2 squared. It's not looking particularly pleasant, and that lot equals 3.2. So therefore we've got 4b plus 10.2, let's expand this out, oops, minus first term squared, that's 4b squared, twice the product, 4b, 8b, square the last. And that lot equals 3.2. We've got a quadratic involving b, we should be able to solve that. So let's just expand it all out. 4b plus 10.2 minus 4b squared minus 8b minus 4 equals 3.2. I want a positive, so I'm going to take it all to the right hand side. So taking the 4b squared over there, I'm going to get 4b squared. I've got 4b minus 8b, that's minus 4b, take it to the other side, and I get plus 4b. I've got 10.2 minus 4, that's 6.2, take it to the other side, I get minus 6.2, but plus the 3.2 that's already there. 0 equals 4b squared plus 4b minus 3. Some factorising. 4b, well, it could be lots of things. Could be 2b times 2b, could be 4b times b. I'll try 2b times 2b. To get a 3, you have to have a 3 and a 1. 6, 4, oh yes, 6 and 2 will give me the 4, so that's just got to be plus, and that's got to be minus. And then I think that works, and from that I can find what b is. So you get either 2b minus 1 equals 0, in which case b must be a half, 2b plus 3 equals 0, in which case b equals negative 3 over 2. I think we're in a probability distribution. All values must be positive between 0 and 1, so that's not possible because it's a probability distribution. B must be a half. Once we've got b equals a half, we can work out a, because they must just all add up to being 1. So okay, we've got a plus a half plus 0.21.4, that must equal 1. That's 0.5. A equals 0.1. We have, just make my answer clear, A equals 0.1 and B equals 0.5. And that's that.